Guys, I am terrified of my microwave. That's why it's not on. Because my daughter, she put something in the microwave. It was some chocolate covered peanuts or something in the microwave, and it started sparking. So I was in the mood for some sausage egg croissants that I bought at Walmart, and this is how I am cooking them, is in the oven. Yeah, so I got it on 400. I set the timer. This is how I place them in here. That way they could get cooked like evenly. But yeah, that's my breakfast for today. And today is the 3rd. Yep, the 3rd. And it's like 7, well, not 7, 8 something in the morning. The kids are off to school and everything. So yeah. I might do some TikToks later, or I might try to clean this house. I'm not sure. I'm still thinking, debating, and yeah, it is kind of sunny outside. I need to clean this window. Well, it's not really window, it's plexiglass. It's not, yeah, it needs some serious cleaning. Like, any neighbors out? Look at that mess. This is ridiculous. Look at this. Look. Y'all see that? See that little crane guy? He barely runs through the neighborhood anymore to pick up these big piles of trash or anything. So it's like, as you can see, I got some Halloween stuff out already. I want to go step outside, but here lately in Columbus, Georgia, there has been a lot of shooting here, like in random places. And from what I heard, I'm not sure if it's true or not, but I was told that it was a gang-related thing going on, because so far we've had 20 shootings in 1 month. And pretty much how the new regulation to get into gangs nowadays is that you have to shoot someone. They don't have to die, you just got to shoot someone. So yeah, it's a little scary to go outside right now, or at least chill out outside. You can't really chill out anymore. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on here. So I hope y'all loving my channel. I hope you are loving coming and chit-chatting with me, because it kind of helps with, anxiety and depression and all that for me. So hopefully you are enjoying this. Please like, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell me where you're from so I can know where everybody is. I want to see how far this video goes. So I love y'all. Bye.